Hello, we are Biomed 1, and I am Kevin.
I'm Katie.
I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Kayla.
Okay, and we're going to be presenting a slide about the smallpox virus. So,
Hit next. What are those? Smallpox is an eradicated virus that used to be contagious, disfiguring, and often deadly. What are the symptoms of smallpox? People may experience flu-like symptoms, a rash first on the face, then hands and forearms, then on the trunk. On the skin, rashes, scabs, scars, and small bumps. The whole body experiences chills, fever, or malaise. Also common is blisters, headaches, lesions, muscle pain, pus, or vomiting. How is smallpox diagnosed? It is diagnosed by the isolation of the virus from the blood or lesions, or by identification of antibodies in the blood made in response to the virus.
Snatching smallpox? Smallpox spreads through the transfer of bodily fluids. The most efficient way of spreading smallpox is through saliva during sneezing, coughing, talking, breathing. Less efficient is through aerosols and particles carrying the virus. And a non-efficient way that smallpox cannot be spread is through animals, insects, or food. What if you snatch smallpox? You may be in the 30% of unvaccinated patients that experience death, or you may experience the following complications, such as scarred skin, bone infection, blindness, arthritis, and fetal damage during pregnancy.
How can smallpox be treated or cured? Smallpox has a vaccine, contains live strand instead of the dead virus. Vaccine for smallpox does not contain the smallpox virus. Vaccine cannot give you smallpox. What is the future of smallpox? There is a vaccine made for smallpox. Stockpile of vaccine in the United States. Vaccination within 3 days of exposure will prevent or lessen severity of smallpox symptoms. Vaccination 4 to 7 days after exposure offers some protection from disease or modifies the severity of disease. Smallpox eradicated from U.S. in 1972.
okay. Smallpox is only known to be held by the CDC in Atlanta and an unknown facility in Russia. However, it is known that some terrorist organizations have gotten their hands on some samples, although we cannot prove that.
Where was smallpox first discovered? Smallpox is thought to have originated in India or Egypt at least 3,000 years ago. The earliest evidence for the disease comes from the Egyptian pharaoh Ramses V, who died in 1157 BC.
What year was smallpox eradicated in the U.S.? Is it A, 1982, B, 1962, or C, 1972?
Yes.
The answer is C, 1972.
Which of the following is not a complication that was viewed by smallpox survivors? A, blindness, B, arthritis, C, hearing difficulties, or D, scarred skin? The answer is C, hearing difficulties. No signs of deafness caused by smallpox have been reported to this date.
True or false? Some of the symptoms of smallpox is rashes, blisters, and vomiting. The answer is true.
Smallpox is thought to be originated in Europe or Asia at least 3,000 years ago. True or false? The answer is false. Smallpox is actually thought to be originated in India or Egypt at least 3,000 years ago. Okay. And those are the sources used for this project. And that's the end.
Thank you.
Oh. Stop.
Hope it stopped.
Did you stop?
I hit stops.
Okay.